Hello everyone, myself Mr. Dheeraj Patil, lecturer at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Web page designing is our subject, and second chapter is the text level tags and list. So in first part, we are seeing the text level text. So after that, we are moved to the list. The HTML list allow web developers to group a set of related items in a list. There are two types: ordered list and unordered list. Unordered list. Unordered list start with the UL tag. Each list item start with the li tag. The list item will be marked with the bullet small black circle by default. You can use any option like the square, dark square box, triangle box, any you can bullet use. So this is the example. Doc type HTML body, the unordered list. This is the heading I'm using here. The H2 means H2 heads. After that, you can start the UL. This is the unordered list. The content will be in li tag means list, coffee, tea, milk. UL has to be clothes, body clothes, and HTML. So this is the output. It will be dark by default. It will be dark. Use the dark circle for the list. Unordered list. The unordered list start with the OL tag. Each item start with the li tag. The list item will be marked with the number by default. You can use the Roman words. Either you can use 1 2 3. Example doc type HTML body. This is the unordered list. OL start with the OL means unordered list. Li with the contents. Close the OL body. Unordered HTML list 1 2 3. This is the coffee, tea, and milk. HTML description list. It is also known as the definition list. HTML also support a description list. A description list is a list of term with a description of each terms. It will be start with the DL tag, define the description list, and DT means uh, data terms. Data define the date terms, names, and the DT means the description each terms. So this is the example description list: the coffee, DT, and black hot drink. It is the description. DT means milk. The white cold drinks. It is also description. The DL close. The description it will be show the description how to coffee. It was the black hot drinks and milk. The white or cold drink. This is the tags of the list. UL means unordered list. OL means ordered list. LI defined by the list items. DL defined by the descriptions. DD defined by the terms of description, and DD defined as the describe the term of the description list. So in this is the second chapter, and we are seeing the uh, text level tags and list different types of list.